Hey guys, what's up? Hermit here from Photo Insomnia, and today I just want to do a quick unboxing of my new drone. Let's unbox this. It's the Mavic Air, the Fly More combo. I ended up getting the black version. I had the white Phantom 3. But once it's up in the air and it's far away from it's really hard to spot. So hopefully this black version is a little bit easier to spot in the sky. Alright, let's open this baby without damaging this beautiful box. There we go. There is the controller and some juice in it. That's great. We have 3 batteries. So that's battery number 1. Wow, so tiny. Amazing. That's the battery. Australian cable. Charging hub. How does this guy open? There we go. So you can charge multiple batteries at once. That's gonna be awesome. The charger with USB ports, brilliant. And a pretty nice case. Let's put that aside. I suppose there's 3 batteries, so I'm assuming one is already installed. So let's open this guy up. Ooh, hello, gorgeous. Yes, the 3rd battery is already installed. Look how tiny this is. Just for perspective, this is an iPhone 7 Plus, and this is a Mavic Air. Pretty small. It's almost the length of an iPhone 7 Plus. Pretty cool. That's what I love about this. It not only has folding arms, but also unfold the rear arms down. There we go. Arm 1, arm 2. Pull this out. Pull this out. So cute. Love it. That's the camera. And supposedly this is very easy to remove. The gimbal clamp. There we go. There she is. There's the camera. In this guy focus. That's the camera there. That shoots 4K. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Okay, lock that in place. Wow, that's a really tiny footprint. Now this is going to be great because this drone will fit in my Messenger 20L backpack, which is a tiny little backpack, but perfectly designed drone that will fit in that backpack. Wow, this is so cool. The previous drone that I had, let's just give you perspective. The Phantom 3 is bigger than the box this came in. So if I put this side by side, the Phantom 3 on its own was bigger than this box. Higher, wider, and when you have to carry it, it's a whole new backpack on its own. Just one backpack for the drone. Now I loved it, but the form factor was really killing the usability of that drone for me. So I got rid of that a few months ago, and I was almost getting the DJI Spark, but I held off, and I think that was a good idea because the Spark has the non-folding arms and it's a little bit more bigger than this, I think, in size. I haven't compared them side by side, but because of its folding up fixed arms, you couldn't really easily travel with it, and the case of that little drone was even bigger than this. So this guy just folds so nicely. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. And the great thing is when you move these arms here, they don't really feel flimsy. They're actually pretty solid. So you open this, it feels firm, good quality plastic, hard bearing, and you have these tiny little feet down here that you can use as landing gear. So let's open this baby again. These are the feet for the back. For the front, you have these tiny little feet, landing gear, which opens up and lands. Pretty excited to have this guy in my kit. Now I'll be taking this more often to more places. That means I should get more footage, and with 3 batteries here now, 1, 2 and 3 installed in here, I will get really plenty of time to fly this. I mean, each battery gives you, according to their manuals, 20 minutes, 21 minutes, but generally in my experience, I really don't want to push them any more than 15 minutes. That's usually enough to get the drone back home safely, swap the battery out, and then take it back up into the air. And with 3 batteries, these are tiny batteries. The Phantom 3 batteries was this long at least, and much fatter and heavier. These are so lightweight. It's amazing. It's amazing. So this weekend I'll take it up for a spin. I'm sure I'm gonna have fun. As you can see, these aren't charged. Not sure if this guy is charged, but I won't turn it on right now. But that's it. Super excited to have this drone in my kit. Alright guys, so if you like this unboxing and you want to see more, please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be sharing all of my footage in the upcoming videos on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook page. Links to the Facebook page down below, but if you're on YouTube, you're watching this on YouTube, just subscribe. That's where most of the content will be. And I can't wait to show you guys what I captured with this little Mavic Air.